Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change this. And if you don't know what this is called a cabin air filter. Very important to change your cabin air filter because with time it got dirt in it, and as you can see it's bad. And this is the air which you are going to be breathing when your AC is on. Normally on most cars your air filter is going to be located underneath the dash behind the glove box. Open it, remove everything inside. Now that everything is out, you will need to look for this right here on both sides, and on some cars you will have this strut. To remove it, push both sides of the glove box. In my case I'm doing it one by one, which will release this tab just like so, and here, and it should come off. Then you will need to remove this strut right here like so, and your glove box will be ready to come out. So you don't need to take the whole thing out. Now what you want to do to locate your air filter, so this is here, this is it, and it's behind this cover. To remove it, you will need to like so, and it will come off. As you can see this, just pull it out and remove your air filter. And as you can see, it's very dirty from sitting under trees. And look at the inside. Putting it back together is very simple. You need to find this arrow and it should be facing up, and it will slide right in. Then put this cover back on. Like so. And then close your glove box, and don't forget to put your strut back in. And close your go block. So guys, this is going to be it for this video. Hope you like it. If you do, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.